February 27th and what's going on at the comex warehouse. For the last couple months, we've been looking at Michael Oliver and his prediction for $300 to $500 silver in the first 2 quarters of 2026. And we're still looking at that. That's kind of our main thesis. We think that's where it's going, or if not that, in a new price reality for silver. We've also looked at the pullback that he's talked about, and we've kind of harped on that. We've done a lot of videos on the pullback. And guess what? We called it at Silver Forecast. So that video's out there. You can take a look at it right here. So now we're post that pullback. Now, yes, is there going to be volatility? Yes, there's going to be volatility up and down and that sort of thing. You can look at those pullbacks, at least we do at Silver Forecast, as buying opportunities. But one thing we're looking at now, the new signal, and yes, we're still following Michael Oliver. We're still looking at, we're still tracking this on a daily basis on Morning Signal of whether we're going to, that new price reality at 300 to 500. But here's the thing right now, the new signal, and that's the potential tsunami that's happening potentially in March at COMEX. And here's the deal. So kind of in a nutshell, right now, comex warehouse, available silver, let's not talk about not available silver, available silver, registered silver, has about 109 million ounces. Right now, there's open interest for March for 490 million ounces. So if all those open interest contracts wanted silver, COMEX would be at stress point to say the minimum. Now, they are not more than likely going to have 490 million open interest contracts requesting silver. But here's the thing, and here's the smoking gun. Right now, it's the middle of February, and it's the beginning, first week of February, and right now, 98% of the open interest for February has gone and requested physical. That's highly unnormal. It's usually about 5 to 10%. So if you extrapolate it to March, you could potentially have a problem. So that's what we're going to be monitoring daily on Morning Signal. We're looking at the COMEX and Shanghai warehouse because that's going down too. But we're looking at COMEX warehouse, both eligible and registered. And we're also now looking at open interests, especially for February. So we're going to be watching this, and we're going to see what happens for this February 27th date, which is the first date for March open interest. And so that's what we're looking at. We're looking at that on a daily basis. We're watching this open interest daily, and that's the new signal. That's the new thing. This February 27th is like the first day when this could possibly kind of blow up. But things we're looking at, what can happen here. So, yeah, they can settle in physical. But if they do that, they'll default. 2, they can push to other delivery months like May and give incentives to do that. That's probably what will happen. Or they can settle in cash. So any 3 of those, we're going to be looking at those, but any 3 of those really puts them in a box, and people start to lose credibility in the paper market. So at that point, physical determines the price, new price discovery, potentially unknown limits to where this price can be, but physical would then be determining the price if COMEX loses credibility in March. That's what we're looking at Silver Forecast.